Okay, this is number 9, and I want to point out a lot of students get stuck, and I get stuck too sometimes. I look at that, how can you get that? You get it by trying. And the nice thing about this first term, it's got to be x and x if it's going to work with these integer coefficients. I do get x squared. But looking at the 56, it is more challenging, all right? And 56, I'm going to say it looks maybe 8 and 7. I'll write that down for you. Minus, minus. But I always say, I wonder if it's true. Well, you multiply it out. What do you get? X squared minus 7x minus 8x. And, minus 8 times minus 7 is plus, and that's going to give you 56. Does that work? I do get the x squared. I do get the 56 on the end. And in the middle, when you add together, minus 7 and minus 8 is minus 15. It works beautifully. So this is certainly a correct answer. Let's go to our answer key and see if I got that. I do see the x minus 8. I do see the x minus 7. I want to go the AC rule, though. I'm going to write it down now. What do you see over here? Well, the coefficient on the square term is 1. And the coefficient, the constant term is 56. That gives you 56. What are you doing? You're finding a product of two numbers that give you 56, but those same two numbers, when added together, gives you minus 15. Now again, for me, it's still looking at it and trying something. And I'm going to say, it looks like minus 8 and minus 7. You should see some similarities between trial and error and the AC rule. But anyway, minus 8 times minus 7 is 56, and minus 8 plus minus 7 is minus 15. What I'm going to do now, take this middle term and divide it into minus 8x. It doesn't matter what you put down first, by the way, and minus 7x. What I'm going to do now, factor by grouping. And what do you get over there? Well, the first two terms, an x comes out, and you get x minus 8. On the second two terms, minus 7 comes out, and you're left off with x minus 8. What do you get over there? Well, a common factor of x minus 8, and we left off with x minus 7. This is the factorization problem. Let's look at the key again. X minus 8, x minus 7. No matter what you do, you're going to get that. And there's other ways to factor, by the way. Don't think this is the only technique for factorizations, by the way. But my techniques are, I do like trial and error for trinomials, and certainly AC rule I do go to sometimes. Thank you.